if hindi na-harvest yung seeds ng cactus at tumapon lang sa soil? Ano kaya mangyayari? Naisip niyo na rin ba? Tara tingnan natin. Tamang-tama, nagre-repat ako ngayon ng mga plants. Alam niyo naman, malapit na ang summer so growing season yan for cacti. And ang priority ko sana is itong Lophophora. But while I was about to repot it, may nakita akong bigla. Ayun, kita niyo na may nakatagong seedlings. So the answer is yes. Seeds can still germinate and grow even if ipatong nyo lang sa lupa and hindi naka-enclose like sa bagging method o sa microwavable. As long as you meet yung tamang conditions like heat, moisture, and light. So kung ganun, mas okay ba na hindi na lang i-enclose yung seedlings kapag snow? Well, that depends on you. Pwedeng enclose, pwedeng open. May kanya-kanyang pros and cons kasi yan. Pero, mas madaming benefits kasi kapag naka-enclose talaga. And most breeders and growers, ganito talaga ang method. Kayo ba mas preferred method nyo and why? Enclose or yung open? Comment your thoughts below. And don't forget to follow Succulents Spikes for more cactus kwentuhan. See ya!